Okay, this is my short test video to see whether I can record to YouTube directly. This is my spreadsheet taken from all the WHO data on COVID-19. There's my graph of cases. There's the trend of the daily percentage change in cases. And there's the forecast. The forecast at the moment is saying that on current standards, China will top out at about 98,000 cases. That's kind of contingent upon there being no other epidemics, and contingent upon there being on the Chinese figures being true, basically. So the whole thing's going to be like an S-curve. You had a huge surge in cases and then it starts to slow down, and then the forecast says basically in the end it slows down and stops, okay, at 98,000. Looking here at the rest of the world cases compared to China's cases, compared to the cities in China outside Wuhan, the rest of the world's doing worse, but it's almost entirely because of the ship. Okay, and I shall explain this in another video, but I'm just trying it here. This is comparing, just to show you the kind of data I've got here. This is comparing the percent daily increase in lab confirmed case numbers in Hubei, Wuhan, compared to the rest of China, compared to the Chinese average, compared to Guangdong province, which is a typical other province in China. Okay, so this is the kind of data I've got, the kind of analysis I've got. I've also got quite a bit of stuff on Southeast Asia because that's getting interesting for all the wrong reasons. I'm looking at Japan, Singapore, South Korea and Thailand. 20 new cases in South Korea today. Thailand doing better than the others for some reason, which is really odd. But compared to the ship, the total for all the others is far fewer than the ship. The ship is a disaster. I'm looking at various ways of plotting the trend for Japan, forecasting for Japan. Looking at the new cases, seeing whether they're trending up or down. Obviously they're trending up. Same for Singapore. Singapore is on roughly a parabolic trend. The new cases in Singapore just keep having little surges, and is on an upward trend, a straight line trend, which gives you a parabola for the integrated graph for the total cases. What else have we got? Okay, that's the percentage increases in new cases has declined, but all the same it's not slow enough to stop the uptrend. Let's have a look at the percent trend in deaths. The percent trend in deaths has declined a bit, but it's still quite high at about 8% per day. Okay, and I'm also looking to forecast the number of cases for the ship. Okay, the forecast a couple of days ago was that there will be 900 cases. 3 days from now, that was by the 23rd of February. Yeah, by the 23rd of February actually. And now the forecast for the 24th of February is actually probably about the same as that, maybe a little worse. I think for the 24th of February now I've got a forecast of about 1,070 cases. So I'm going to be showing some more of this tomorrow, hopefully. Plenty of data, plenty of analysis, just trying to look for trends. I'm also looking at the Chinese website as well as the WHO. The Chinese website is very good actually, but I'm also looking at the situation reports from the WHO, which, you know, give you sort of end of day figures, which is quite useful. The Chinese website as well is very useful, and the figures pretty much tally with each other, to be honest. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of that over the following days, and the trouble is that the news overtakes what you're trying to do. So that's a bit of data, and I hope to analyse it a little bit more closely on following videos. But bye for now.